In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Select OK. Tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tap menu and edit it by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Edit Tiles. Look for Caffeine shortcut under More Functions and add it to your current menu. Then go back and tap on the shortcut. As you can see, after that, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!